Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a transparent sticker to your videos in CapCut PC. So if you go to stickers here and if you applied some of the stickers, some of it is transparent. As you can see, like this one is transparent, but we have a few that isn't. And for instance, you want it to be transparent. I'm just going to type in fishes to match the theme. So I, for instance, want to add this sticker right here. And let's say another one, this one maybe. And we'll add this one. Like as you can see, this one's transparent, so you can see the tail. And I'll add this one as well. Don't really know what this is. And I'll type in jellyfish. Jellyfish. Okay, and I want this jellyfish to have transparent legs, or just like a throughout transparent body. I'm going to right click and I'm going to select create compound clip. And for instance, I only want the legs to be transparent, so I'm just going to go and copy and paste that. Oh, actually, yeah, I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to go to video. I'm going to go to mask, and I'm going to select horizontal, and I'm just going to then feather it out so the legs are more transparent than the rest of the body, like so. But if I want the whole thing to be transparent, I'm just going to select basic, blend mode, and I'm just going to simply adjust the opacity from there. It's as simple as that. But yeah, that's a way if you want things to be more transparent. I think masking it is a little bit better because you can control what you want to be transparent or not. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!